1 2 3 1 2 3. I think it should work right now. Let me check my microphone again. Yes, it is working, and hopefully I'm not picking. Okay, so hello again, it's me, your idol Minh Hikari, and welcome back to Minh Hikari Developing. Okay, I definitely not an idol. All right, so for the third time on this stream, hello world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope that you already have a wonderful day if it's already evening at your location. And or I wish that you will have the rest of the day wonderful if it's still morning or it's still afternoon at your time. And even if you are preparing to sleep, like it is already night at your place, then good night and have a nice dream. Or of course, if you still being up to watch this stream, then yeah, try to follow me. Yeah, I hope that I can help you, sleep a little bit more easy. Okay, so this is my third stream, and to tell the truth, that I was in the thought that I will not be able, that I could not be able to do the stream today. Just because I'm afraid that I will need to do like work overtime, since it is the deadline for fixing bugs in our release of the project, and today is the final day, is the deadline. So I was thinking that I will need to stay late today to have fixing more bugs and getting the problems solved using some magic, I guess, but it seems that it is not the case today, and yeah, I can do the stream for today, so that is already a good thing. Okay, so what can I say about this? Okay, so before we actually start, let me update you a little bit about the stream schedule of me. So currently I think that I can stream on Wednesday and on Friday. Why those 2 days? Because those days I don't have any anime entry to watch, and that is the main reason. And I will stream at 8 or 8:15, maybe 8:15 p.m. and the reason why I stream this time, 8:50 p.m. Vietnam time, so GMT plus 7. Why that time? It is because yeah, I am currently at home, like come back from work and have free time, so I decided to stream to make myself a little bit more busy, and as I already said, to make me to get more motivation at my side project. So that's all. I will update my stream schedule later on. And that schedule may be able to apply for, yeah, it would be able to apply for the next 3 or 4 weeks, because the schedule will change season by season, because I'm a big anime fan. So each season I will watch, I will have like more anime entries to watch later on, so the stream will be different next season, but I will try to at least stream twice for a week. So I hope that I can keep that up with, yeah, I hope that I can keep my plan up Alright, so I think that's all for my stream schedule. I will update that later to my page so you guys can check it. For now, let's get to our stream. Let's go to, I believe, the main screen right here. So I hope that you are now seeing the main screen, and I hope that I get my music going. So hold on a little bit. Is it going or not? It is playing. It is playing, and yeah, it is going. Okay, and I also hope that the quality of the stream is now a little bit better, because I messed up with the bandwidth settings for the encoder last time, so I hope that I got that correct now. Okay, so for reminder, we are currently working on a new a makeover for my anime blog, which I will try to run it up right now. Which one is this? And anything can work. Yeah, why PNPM's not working again? Wow, what is not okay? This is not good at all. Hold on. How about the other? Yeah, PNPM's not working. Damn you, what's happened? SDF, it is still working. Node is still working. It is still working. So npm run dev. It should work. I don't understand why this is not working. Yeah, it is really strange, but anyway, I will try to fix that later on. Okay, I don't know what's actually happened, but wait. Yeah, it is not working for a reason. PNPM run dev is not working for a reason. I don't know why, but okay, let's try to ignore that for now, and run it like the normal way. I will try to figure that out later. But as you can see, we already have. Let's open a new window here and get into a new workspace. So last time we already got the template up. So the template is already up and running, at least for the main page, and we also got something working here. So that's already be a good sign. The search box here is also work, which is this is the icon that is missing, but we will care about that later on. And we have this right panel that which is a thing that I'm not finding a good usage for this, but we will keep that in and see if we really need that later. Okay, so last time we are working together, you can see that I already get the base template future imperfect up, and today will be okay. So today I will actually not working on the home page, but I actually want to work on the page for a single post. I want to get that down first. So if I open this one really quick, so again, just for having like an idea about how it will look. Where is it? It should be a base template. Yeah, it should be here. And single. So for a post, it should be like this, right? I don't know if I want to keep those one, but at least I want to have like a post going, and I will also take some inspiration. Like there will be some custom elements, components that we will need to create. For example, if I'm getting back to my blog now, blog.minghikari.com, you will see that we will have some custom components to match. So we got the header, we got this one for an anime entry, which I will want to add like I want to like trying to make something similar to this. And I think that's all. I guess this is the header, a custom header, and this is like an anime entry component. I think let's call that. Alright, so I think that is those are two custom components that we need to match. So I think let's get started with this task right here. So mind you, I will not working from top to bottom, but I will try to work like what I really want to do first, because if we don't have the page for displaying our posts, then which means we will need to have a list of posts for testing, right? Then how can I make this? That is the main reason. Okay, so this is the one that we will try to do today. So actually in the post page, I will need to have one more to do here called custom components. Okay, let's say layout, and then we have custom components for anime entry, and maybe custom components for header. We'll try to see if we really need this one or not. Okay, so the thing is, if you look closely, we already have this page right here, which is a content doc, and inside the content we already have index and about. So which means if I go to, what's my page, about here, you see that it should already display something. And if I really go to index, yeah, it is it's had the same meaning, but let's see if I want to change to custom index, something like that. Then right here, go to custom index, you will see that this is the index that is generated. So, and you can see that those are written in the markdown, and actually Nuxt content give us much more powerful power that we can use inside markdown. But first I want to at least, so the slug right here, this will be the one we will use with the post page. And because we actually have, like, if you take a look again, so we will have this template for the post page, then I think that I will need to create a common template that we will use for every single post. And then we will try to have like a custom post that I want to do. So we will try to render this thing right here. But yeah, I think we will need some common components here, because we can reuse this one, the header. We can reuse, how can I say this, the header can be reused. The footer, I may not want to keep the footer, but let's see. But basically we will need to have a layout for the post page. Okay, and because of that, since we are here, I think that in Nuxt we actually have like a folder for creating that, which is called layouts. So this is how we can enable layout. So exact common UI patterns into reusable layouts, this will be absolutely the one. that we will use. So how about to enable layout? So we can add Nuxt layout to app.view, which is this one right here. So we will need to enable layout first. So where's our app.view, which is here, right? We have Nuxt page, and we have template here. We have Nuxt layout. So we will need to replace this with Nuxt layout, I believe. Nuxt layout. Okay. And then getting the Nuxt page inside here. Alright, I think that's done. So if I go back here and try to reload, yeah, yeah, there is nothing changed, but at least we know that the things still work. Okay, so now we have the Nuxt layout. So let's create a directory called layouts, I believe. Yes, it is. So layouts, and now set a layout property in your page with define metadata. So this is the default layout, right? So I want to have like a template and a div like this one. So let's copy this one inside really quickly. And what name is that? Default.view. Okay, so we say default.view. Let's try to copy that in and go back here. Okay, is that enough? We have a slot. We have a slot, so we have some pages here. App.view, so Nuxt page. The pages we have in us, right? Okay, now the question is, oh, it is there. Okay, I see the layout test. So so it seems the layout work, which is good. Now the thing is, inside the layout, I actually want to have, as you can see, the header will be the same for all of the pages. So it is shared on the home page and also in the page for a single post here. So we definitely need to make the header common component and then add it to the layout that I want to use. So let me create it a new folder here called, not here but outside, called components. And I believe that this folder will also be is absolutely a standard folder here in Nuxt here. There we go, you can see. Okay, let's go another folder, create another folder called layout. Let's not do this, and then I will go for common header dot view. Okay, we will make thing really quick. Should be a template. Okay, and it should be I want to add h1 inside here. This will be the common header just for testing. Now going back to default, let's not use the div here. Oh, we might need to use the div, but we will get a component called layout common header, and it should understand this because it is actually the name of this layout that I'm putting here. You will see that the name is actually combine the layout and the name of the component that I'm putting here. So if I call like layout2, then common header.view, then this one will be named layout2 common header right here, right? Let's make sure it works. Actually, this will be the common header. It work easy. Okay, now can I actually turn this down a bit. Sorry for any noise that it will create. Okay, I think that's better now. Yeah, it's actually better. 1 2 1 2. Fine. Alright, so now let's get back to our common header. So it is the header. This is the common layout, right? So this is the layout. Now let's go to the default.view. This is interesting. So this will be okay. Let's try to go to this. Will be the one that we will use the default layout in. Yeah, it will be the one. Yeah, we will be the one. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that for now. Okay, so we will get content doc here, which is, I think I will need to keep this, but hold on a second. There should be like a way that I can tell that this page need to use a specific layout, right? I don't know, default layout. Oh, this is name layout and define page metadata. Okay, so I think it should already work. So let's just go for about. As you can see, it is also there already. Yeah, it is already there. And the problem with this is, yeah, where's our content doc here? This is really interesting. Oh wait, hold on. So do I need to get this into the layout as well? It should not, right? Do our layout has a slot or something? Oh, we actually don't. Oh, we actually don't have a slot yet. Okay, hold on a second. We will need to have a slot like this. And once that happens, you will see that the content is rendered here, which is good. The thing is it good to wrap this as a div like that? Okay, let's just keep it and let's see what will happen. But I absolutely need a slot here. So you will see that the about work, the custom index also work with the common header, which I will now going inside the common header and do a thing. And that thing I will do is try to identify where's the header inside here. So let's get back here. We'll get the wrapper and this is the header. Oh, this is the wrapper. Okay, so this is the header. This is the whole header that I need to copy in. So instead of this one, let's grab this one in. On the second thought, I might want to grab this in also. Wait, so the wrapper will be all the way out, right? So the layout default here, I actually want to get this one right here. Okay, it makes more sense to me this way now. So let's go to refresh. It is not rendering because I haven't saved this, and it is now inside there. So even you go to custom index now, or you going into this one, maybe it is not here yet, or even you go to about, you will see the same header. And this is absolutely not like having the right menu here. Maybe I will put something there in place a bit, but future imperfect I will want to change that one. Yeah, okay, but at least as you can see, the headers basically works. Now now the headers already work. Now let's see, this is the default layout, right? Yeah, really, this is the layout default, right? Let's actually create another file called post single post dot view. We basically want to have the same thing here, right? So this one will work. So for a single post, this one will work. And then inside the slush here, I actually want to have it to use this one right here. And yeah, let's not do the length. The layout should be single post. Will still work. Index. No, not index. Sorry, about. It is now working, which is fine. But we actually want to do something more than that. So we will have a slot here, which will have the main of content doc here. The single post here, we actually have the header already. I might want to have something more. So like, I will want to have this part right here. Oh wait, hold on. Can it be? Yeah, now if I really think about it, I actually don't need this, right? So wait, hold on. Maybe I complicated things up a bit. So no, not this one. What I want is I actually want to have like this layout is the common layout for every single post, but because I only need to use that for any pages that I display a single post, which means I don't need to make that a layout, right? And the reason for that is because I actually have this one right here. So I only need to style or actually setting up this one. This view pages right here. Yeah, this page only, and it will magically work. Hopefully. Yeah, I really hope that. Yeah, I really hope that will be the case. But let's see if I am right about that. So I actually don't need to define anything here. But what I actually need is remember the content doc that maybe we need that later on. But yeah, let me just. Oh, what the hell is that? Yeah, there we go. We have main, we have content doc. We actually don't need that, but we absolutely need to have the content doc somewhere. Let's go to the assets. No, where base template, I believe. And single. So we actually already got the header. We actually got. Do I actually need wrapper? Is my main question. Yeah, it's my main question now. Do we actually need the wrapper? I think we need. Or not, because the layout already get a wrapper. Okay, we already get the wrapper, so we don't need the wrapper. We absolutely don't need the header. Let's not do the menu, but we will do the main. So let's copy the whole main thing inside. And as you can see, it has like some of them. So yeah, should work right now. As you can, oh no, this is still, yeah, it still work. So as you can see, it is now working, which is a big plus for me. Okay, and so where do I, okay, we had the title, we had the post here, we have the span here. This is the pictures, the big pictures, I believe, and down here is, I think, okay, let's remove the footer for now. I think that this is the title, this is the metadata, this is the image that I may want to use, like a custom image to put something here. I will want to replace the whole of this with content doc. So I will see, yes, you can see this one is now right here about content here, And if I go to custom index, you will see that it is down right here. So basically we already have a post page up and running, and we still have plenty much time. So at least I can say that I set up the layout complete. So let's go out to our to-do list, and I hope that we already set this up well. Okay, so the layout is now completed. But now for this one, I think I will need to try to like having a post going on, right? Which I think I will do for now. So let's go to content, and let's go for a post. Okay, let's go for 2024, and let's go for a new file called 001. Okay, only 01 is enough. How can I say this? Anime winter 2024 anime kickoff. Okay, the thing is now I will need to find. Okay, let's do thing more simple. Winter kickoff. Okay, now what is the link to this actually? I will need to look at that first. So what is the link that I can use for accessing this one? Is it the one? Let me actually try to copy something from the about in here. Will it work? No, it will not work. Oh, maybe 2024. Will it work? No, it's not working. How about this one? Winter kickoff. Winter kick off. Oh, so this. Okay, so the name of the file, the name of the link should be like this one. So about content, as you can see, it is right here. If I go to like hello, this is my first post, you will see that it is reflected here and it is our logo. So yes, it's working. All right, now I will need to look at the document of what is that? I completely, yeah, sometimes my brain is just completely hangs a bit until I realize what I need to do. What is that? Nuxt content. Finally I can remember that. The name of the stack that I am currently using. So content doc, which is already good. I want to look at markdown. Yeah, MDC markdown, and I actually should already install this one. So do I actually do that? MDC markdown components? No, I haven't. There we go. For Nuxt content, which is good. Okay. Now I believe that I can go here and okay, we can actually have a little bit of those going up. So title, description, the content of the page. So let me go into tags and try to do something like 2024 season winter I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all. 2024 winners. So I can say anime. Hold on. And let me actually go to my blog and copy the whole thing. It is Vietnamese because the blog will be in Vietnamese also, but yeah, let me just copy this one in. I will try to think up a better way to do it. And about yeah, my left key on my keyboard decided to be pop out. I don't know why, but there we go. It is it again. Winner, and what do I want to add in? Post date, publish date. I would say 2024. What day is today, by the way? 28th of February, and I just really realized that I can control the music inside here, which is, yeah, it's new, but I hope it is not a big problem. Basically I can do that. Oh, now saying about the music, do I actually need to, yeah, there we go. At least it will be repeatedly played in the background now. So what do we have here? 28, and time I was, yeah, just say 12 for now, and I will try to copy something inside here, and I will try to copy this one right here. This will be a header, so I want to see how the headers look. So that's one. Why did that? Oh, I did it again. No, what the hell? There we go. Let me actually copy this one right here. Okay, so let's see how this look. This actually looks pretty good, right? It's actually is looking pretty good right here. Okay, I will try to temporarily disable those span here, and as you can see, it is absolutely a good post right here. Okay, now you can clearly see that, okay, maybe I don't need a custom headers for this one, but let's just see if I change my intention later on, later down the line. Okay, let's see, what do I still need to do? Okay, so now we will need to make something like this. So hold on a second. We will need to make something similar to this one. We will need to make something similar to this one. So yeah, how can I do that? Well, if you are looking at the markdown now, you will see that there is a way for us to use a custom view component as inside the block, right? Oh, and you know what? Hold on, before we come to that though, is there any way that I can get the title up here, get the description here, get the published date here, and maybe got my name here? my name here will be static. Basically, it will be static. I can say Mingikari, hopefully. There we go, it's my name. Maybe I will get my ugly icon here. Now, the thing is, how can I make this happen? Metadata. I know there is the metadata. Binding data in Markdown. Wait. Can we do something like this? Binding data in Markdown. Hold on. Doc variable. So we can do something like this, right? So this is in YML. Define external. Define in external with content render markdown. So it seems like I can do. Okay, hold on. The thing that I want to do is using the metadata that I define inside the markdown and map it out on the slush page. How can I do that? So the thing is, I actually currently want to get those meta data that I am currently having here, and then okay, my mom is calling someone, but not me, so we can continue. So basically we have like I want to get the title, the description from inside here out on the slush here to edit inside those tags. The thing is, how can the problem is, how can I do that now? This makes me thinking, because I remember that I actually have like something that can help me with content, the title. We have content slot. Okay, let me try to do that. So content slot, right? So if I do this here, and I will use why do we need to call slot here? The title. Okay. Hold on. Metadata. This is front matter. Yeah, can we? Yeah, it's not a, no, this is slot.default, which is I already know. The thing is, how can I set the metadata data out from inside the page. Or maybe I'm thinking something wrong already. Or maybe I haven't read things correctly, so hold on. So we already can do this, right? So this is a YML, so yeah, we already can do this. The thing is now, how can I get the name of, how can I get the title out from the markdown? So like I want to render the metadata of the page out here. What can I use basically? Content renderer, content doc. No. Okay. Similar to content doc. No, it is not the thing that I want to. Dot title. We got the content doc here, right? Fetch and render a single document. Dot. Okay, I will need to focus a bit. So how can we do that? If there's anyone in the chat, maybe you can tell me. Again, I want to get the title that I define inside here out here. Is there any way to do that? Though I don't know if anyone is in the chat right now, to tell the truth. Or maybe I am also complicated things again. I hope not, but let's see. Content doc, so this is the content doc, right? Content renderer. A split path. Okay, wait. Okay. So maybe this will work. So maybe this will work if I am now. It is an article. Okay. So let's wrap this one around a content doc, and why I copy that one instead of this one. So I am now wrapping the whole article in the content doc. And now inside here I will have the header, and the header will have something like this. Oh, I will actually need to do this one, and then I can use this one right here. Will it work? It worked correctly also. So down here I can use description, which work. This one I can also use publish date, right? And how about I display some tags here also? Will it work? It also work. It also work, but let's leave the tag inside there for a while. But as you can see, it's working. It is working, which is nice. Okay, and I still get, okay, do I actually get, I will still need to have like a content renderer for this one, right? So it should be right here, content renderer. There we go. It's work, and this also work. Yeah, it work. Maybe I will try to make it more user friendly later on, but it work actually. I can edit things right here. So if I go here, you can see it is added here, which is fine. So fine and so good that it is working. All right, now let's come to the custom components for an anime entry here. So I want to make something similar to this one. The thing is, yeah, I can clearly copy this in, but I will want to have that entry right here also scale up and scale down, so it should have some, as you can see, it should have some like responsive for that one, for the page. So that will also be like, if you are doing like something like this, then there is no way that I can display like 2 by 2 on the same, right? So this is why I make it in a way that you can see that the image, the banner of the anime is on the top, and then all the information is later on is down here. And if I getting it just a little bit, you will see that it will jump in now. So 2 columns, as you can see. I want to make the same thing. The thing is, inside here, if I actually will show you, we actually don't have like a CSS framework, so I will need to do that manually, or I can make this a little bit more simple by using a CSS framework, which I will use not Boma, also not Bootstrap, but I will try to use this one. So Prime Flash, mainly because this is a really easy and good and have a very good documentation there. That's what I like about this one. We will use it grid mainly, but first I will need to install that first. So let's get started. I will need to add, I will need to get Prime Flash inside here. So let's copy the name, go back here, pnpm, add Prime Flash. We actually have some update for pnpm, so I will update that later, and now it should be there already. And we actually have paramflex.css, so we can go now next config here. And I hope that we can do something like this. So yeah, I don't know if it will work or not, but let's see. Will it work? I hope it will work. Wait, hold on. It is 2024 again. 2024 again. Come on, mẹ. Thank you, mom. Yeah. Sweet. My mom just give me some snack. So I can work with it. That is so nice. Yeah, I just see a problem right here that the CSS is actually not working anymore. Which may require me to add this one. I don't know, but yeah, it is working again. Go to network. Actually, is there any so many things, right? But we have prime flash. We have prime flash working now, so that's good. That's already loading. I will want to copy the layout of this first, so let's actually create a common component now. So let's try to call a new file called posts, anime entry. Okay, movie movie entry, because this will be the entry for a movie, not a TV series. TV series we will get a little, it will be a little bit different than movie. So and remember me about talking about internal tools. We will try to have some tool to generate the content using those custom components later on. That's so good. You will basically see what I mean later, but for now I want to take a little bit of inspiration, so I will go inside my admin page and I can fill it with password right here, and it should be this one right here. So publish. I want to go to edit. Come on, go to editor for me. Okay, as you can see, this is absolutely an HTML, a raw HTML one. So let me try to see if I can make it happen. Here, let's throw all of them inside a template. Okay, that seems working. Now let's go back to winter kickoff. Okay, so right here I will need to try to use this one right here, which now begs me a question: how can we do that? Well, Nuxt content actually provides us with the ability to use your custom view component. And everything I need to do is mention the name of it here. So hero, we have hero.view. So I think that the name for the component that I need to use will be post movie entry, and I think that should be already it. No, not working. Okay, fine. How about movie entry? Okay, it's not working. Alright, somehow it's not working. Wait, hold on. So the name is movie entry. Post movie entry. Nice, not working. Hold on. How about I add a slot inside here? I don't know. Maybe that will be the case. Nope, it's not working. Now again I am wait. Must contain one of those two. Oh, right. Okay, so it must contain one of those. What if I don't want? Is there an like if I don't want to have that, then what the hell? So it will be like this, right? Component content. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I will need to hold on a second. So view components, I will need to create it inside components content. So this must name content, and it should say only movie entry. Okay, again, it's I've been scammed. I has been scammed. I don't actually need to. Maybe I am an idiot again. No, it's not working again. Hold on a second. I completely ignore the. I completely ignore the. Okay. If this is the native custom, and make sure to exclude it from component resolution via compilation that is custom element. Holy cow, the name of the component need to have. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's fine. I will take it. I will take it as I'm an idiot. guys. Okay, at least working, but as you can see, it is a little bit too big if I go like full side right here, and this is why I actually want to use the card page there. Oh yeah, this is bad. This is really bad. Okay, now let's actually get to the real deal, right? So what I want here is I may want to get some offset. I might want to get some offset. Responsive, so SM right here. I might want to get some offset. So like if I am in the big screen right here, then I don't actually need it to completely fill in, right? So let us actually customize this one right here. So wait. So how the system look? So class is grid. Okay, hold on. Let me comment this out so we can write something else. So div dot box. Div. Oh, it is not allowed me to use emmet. That is strange. Class box, and then div dot. Oh, emmet is not working. Okay, that's unfortunate. Okay, let's leave with that. Yeah, the thing is, why don't I do this? If you want to become a good developer, you will need to know how to copy and paste things. So true. So true. So true. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. If if I'm saying a little bit of offset here, hold on. Come on. I want to set a little bit of offset here. I actually have enough of this one, so offset please. So actually, if I do this, what do we have? Oh, okay. Read box column search column offset 3. Is it a good idea to do that? Absolutely not. But basically, yeah, that looks a little bit correctly. Okay, yeah, that looks more correctly. So I need to put the box here. So which means I can absolutely have like, okay, 6 is a little bit too small. Let's go to 8, and column offset is 2. So it will be a little bit wider. That also looks good. Now inside here we'll have a div. So you will see another one here again, but no box this time, sorry. Now let's go with column 8, I believe. Okay, one more question. Do I... Okay, am I making things a little bit like more complicated than it should be? I don't think I am, right? Yeah, I don't think it will be more problem. Okay. So column. I will need to have that. There is no way, right? I will need to have that. Oh wait, the width. Oh, the width. I can actually use that. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing again? What am I doing again? Okay. So we actually can use... Maybe I am going hard on myself again. So let's try to make that happen. So we will get a flash outside. What are those? W foam. Yeah, maybe it's me again. Let's say if I want to go like with 11. Center. How can I make the center? Wait. Center. Or margin. I think margin should... Okay, M auto. Hold on. M auto. Basic solution also work. So margin auto will work. With 11 is a little bit too much. How about this one? I think that 8 maybe a little bit too small. 9 I think is good. Okay, so we have the box. We have date dot grid. Oh, what I'm typing again. Div dot. Okay. Maybe my best thing is I will just come to this one and copy paste again. So I want to go like 2 columns. 8 and 4 I believe. 8 and 4 I believe. So column 8. No, column 4 and then column 8. So we'll get like 2 columns here. 1 column I will get the image. So let's copy the image in. The other one I will want to get every single thing here. Let's just copy that so I will not lose in something else. So right here. Okay. So column 4 was wonderful. Column 8 is not that wonder, right? Oh wait, hold on. It is because the width of the image is currently... Yeah, it is currently... The width of the image is actually already more than what this area can hold. So can I say something to the image like width full Oh, oh, okay, I need to put it in the class. Hold on. I can, and it will work correctly. Center, text center. Can we? That work? So this is, is it good or not? Padding 2. Padding, is that for padding? Hold on. Padding. We actually have some class for padding. Okay. Oh. It worked, but it's not work well enough. Okay. 3. I think 3 is already good for the thing. So we got our work cutting for us, but of course, if you are looking at this one, you will see that we actually have a problem with the size of the post right here. So that's what we need to fix now, and we will need to fix that thanks to the responsive of the grid. So scrolling down here, you will see that there is a responsive. So I want to say SM. So if it's SM, I want to have it cone 12, completely cone 12. And then this should be the same thing, right? So if it's small, then the column should be 12, which is not the case here. Which means I might need to revert that one. So if it's a large string, so it will always column 12, but if it's a large string, then I will make it 8. And as you can see, that works wonderful. If I go up here like this, okay, so this is already large enough. The thing is, if I make it like responsive, let's go for an iPad Air, a little bit too small. Okay, going like this one, you will see that okay, it's actually still good. It's actually still good. Hold on, iPhone SE. iPad mini. Is this actually already a good size? Because I was thinking that it's actually I don't think it should reach large. I only think it should be already medium, and we already changed the thing so it fits. So it will look like this. Okay, this is bad. This will be very bad. All right. So no. I think let's keep this component like this. So yeah. Until we get large, I think let's keep it like currently, but it can be. Okay. Now, there's one thing that I can do. Like, is there any way that I can keep this like in the center of the whole thing? So I can make this like M auto. Oh, I actually can. I actually can. Oh, one more class and it should be good. Painting 3, but am auto. Oh, which means I don't actually need to have this one, right? It worked beautifully. It worked beautifully. Okay. And I think that is the function. Wait, hold on. I actually want to change this one. Okay. This is H4. How about I make it header 2? Okay. Okay, I hope that will work. I hope that will work. Okay, let's still keep it like this, and we will try to see how can we make it happen later. But we have the name of the studios, we have the genres, we have duration which is unknown, and we have the theatrical release date, which is actually 2 more days before this movie is out. So I don't know if you already like watching Papyri Kome, then go and watch it. It is generally a good anime that comes from PA Works. I really like this, and if this movie have the chance to come to Vietnam, I would absolutely go out and watch it. Okay, so now we will have this part right here. Now there's one more thing to do. I will need every single of this one, the title of the anime, the studios, this part right here, this part right, this part right here. All of those should be we should be able to modify those, and also this one, which is, oh, I can actually remove this now. Okay, which is now I think we can do that because in Nuxt content we can actually pass the data from outside to the inside. So for example, props, we can pass them in as props. Okay, we can pass that in as props, so we can have like alert. Inside here we can find we can go like define props. So I will need to copy this one and get a strip ready. Now what do we need to have? We have title, or let me say really simply name, studio, genres, duration, theatrical is this the right word? Yes. Release. So we will have those props, and inside here I can just go like the alert component, alert, what is this? Type. So we can just type each warning. Okay, we can actually do it like this. So this one will be name, this one will be studios, this one will be genre, this one this one genres. This one will be duration, and this one will be theatrical release. Alright, so now if you go back here, you will see that there's no way that it's working. Oh, and I also need to have banner. No, not saying banner. Poster. Let's say image. For simplicity. Okay, so right here I also can say I can use bind here. Title. I think I can do that, and also I think I can use image right here. Okay, so there is no information here, as you can see. Let me actually now use the movie entry. I actually already used it, but I will need to have pass in some information. So you will see that I will pass in, what the hell is that? Hold on. Oh, so I can do that in JSON way or YML. So one of two ways. Let me actually do that in this way because it is actually easier. I think it is easier to do it that way. So let's go with name. Let's go with image. Let's go with studios. Let's go with genre. Let's go with duration, and let's go with theatrical release. Let's save it. It is getting in. I got Nuxt. It is in. So yeah, let me try to copy the original information in, which should be around here. So this is the source images. This is the Paripico made. This is the name. This is the okay. How can I hold on? I think you already read. This is the problem, right? Will it work? Oh, it's stuck. It's completely stuck. Oh, it's completely stuck. Okay, fine. So fine. Woo. Okay, it begin to work now. Studios. PA works. This one is genres. Duration is unknown. I don't know if it's still unknown or not. Theatrical release. Here you are. Okay, and if you are coming back here, you will see that it is correctly populated, which is really good for a movie. So we can use movies for now. Now let me actually go to content and create a new file. We will call tventry.view. So the TV entry will basically be the same as this one, but with the movie entry, but I will only have the name of the studio and the genre. So every single one of those two will be out. I can get the name, I can get the image, I can get the studio, I can get the genres. Those two we don't need to be. Okay, so TV entry immediately work. Let me actually copy something related to here. So let's continue to write, and then yeah, try to copy this one inside with a new TV entry. Okay, the name will be this one. The image will be this one. The studio will be this one, and the genre will be this one. I don't need those two, and I can copy this one and paste it in. So let's see how it looks. TV entry, TV entry, TV entry, TV entry, right? I think that every single time when I add a content component, I will need to restart the server, the dev server, just to make sure that. Yeah, why is that thing have? Hold on a second. Really? Are you kidding me? Yeah, they are actually kidding me. Okay, wow, this thing is absolutely not good. You can see that it is too close to okay, let me actually go to the entry here and actually adding something in. I want to padding 3. Looks much better. Let's do the same thing. Padding X 3. So it will be a little bit more, like it will not go very near the edge. That looks really good. Okay, that's fine. I think that is really fine. That is really not good at all. I want to have a padding. I want to have a padding on the top and on the bottom of those ones. So let's say padding no margin top, right? Top margin Y 1. 6. Okay, at least 3. So 1 RAM, I think this will be good. 1 RAM is actually already so good. Back here and say my 3. We are having something here. So we basically have having something here, which is good. Okay. So I think I can call this done, because we actually have something that we can use for anime entry. We basically will create more later on, but at least we got the functional going. Not the functional, I mean the basic layout for an anime entry going, which is already a good one. We also have, like, there's a page here that I can show you. So we got the title here, we got the description here, I've got the time of creation of publish here, I got my names here, which is also a good thing. This is the post, this is the custom and the custom components that I get for an anime entry, and this is for a TV series. I will actually need to create some more, but for now it looks the page for a post is actually already looks good to me. How about the headers? Yeah, now I am thinking about should I create a custom header, a custom one for the headers. I know that it is actually not looking so good right here. Maybe a custom header will be a good idea, I guess. Maybe that will be a thing I do on the next stream, because yeah, maybe I will want to have a custom headers going on, so just to make sure that everything looks better. But now at least we got the page already here, and we also got something's going on here. So this is the headers, right? This is a page post, and we already created the component here that we will use. By the way, there's one more thing also. So you can see that the post I can write it entirely in Markdown, and regarding the custom internal tools, I will try to have some tools that help me generate this entry. So yeah, this entry right here. So yeah, it will be auto generate, so I can just give that tool like the ID of the anime on my anime list, and it will generate me this section, so I can just copy and paste. And that will be like one of the thing that the internal tools be able to do later. Hopefully that it will be the case. Okay, so it is currently working now, which means I can absolutely add all of them in and commit that to the main branch, right? So let's commit that and wrap up today. So layout plus custom layout and custom components for post page. Yeah, I will want to commit them all up and then push the change. And it is now work up. So GitHub just doing a very quick check. I will configure that later on. For now, please remind me tomorrow. I will try to make that happen later. But you can see now. So our pages, so our changes are now up here. Where's the list of commits? Where's my commit actually? Yeah. Where is the? Oh, right here, 4 commits. So this is the commit. So we have init commit, we have future perfect template, we have the to-do list, and now we have the layout and custom component for the post page. So I think I would left everything like this for now, and we will continue to work on this on Friday. So remember, I will stream for on Wednesday and Friday. So I will create and update the schedule of me later on. Remember that the schedule may be changed in the future, especially when I come to a new anime session. I will change the schedule, but at least for now, for this week and for the upcoming 3 or 4 weeks, it should be on Wednesday and on Friday. I might stream more if I found time to do so, so stay tuned for any announcement. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. If you are still here, have a nice day or good night, and see you next time.